In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from our device in Snapchat. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm passing the information on my Android, but it's the same process if you are an iPhone, doesn't matter. The first thing you need to do is enter Snapchat and log into your account. Then you will come to this page and you need to click on the middle button. Okay, you click right here, you'll come to this page. Click at the top left corner on your profile. You will come right here and click right here at the top right corner on options. After coming right here, you will see several options, but the option that interests us is this one, two-factor authentication. We need to click, and you need to active two-factor authentication to log out from our device in Snapchat. Okay, here you will see your phone, but the option that interests us is the last option, forget device, below recovery code. So click forget device, and here you will see all devices that are logged in on your Snapchat account. You just need to click right here, forget our device, okay, and confirm your action. Then you will log out from our device in Snapchat. I will not do this because I don't want, okay, I'm just showing you how to make. So you just need to click right here and that's it, you log out from our device. I hope I helped you how to log out from our device in Snapchat. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.